So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the public restrooms near you anywhere in the world. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser here. We can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. And now here you have to search for freep.com.org. Just simply go to this website and let's just wait for the site to respond. Once it gets open, here you can see you can find a free public restroom on this website all over the world. Here you can see if I zoom in into the US region, right there it will tell me the number of public restroom available in each city, and if I even zoom in the more, it will directly provide me where the public restroom stays. Here you can see on this map location I can get the coordinates and directly go to this location. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.